Hello, this is our last video to learn how to draw this pattern within 1 hour. If you haven't watched the previous videos, you can either click the link above or click the link in the description. Now let's start. We are going to use the same 𝐦𝐤𝐧𝐬, so open your browser and type in 𝐦𝐤𝐧𝐬/turtle. Now to save time, I'm just going to delete this code and I'm going to copy my code for the final creation to here. And we're going to expand the screen, and I want the drawing area to be a little bit larger. Okay, so let's look at the first few lines. Import turtle, which is familiar to us, but there's something new here, ST. ST meaning we are going to give turtle a short name, which is T. Because we have about 100 lines of code, I don't want to type turtle every time. Instead of typing turtle, I'll just type T. T.screen, that is to get the drawing screen, and the next 3 lines are new. This is to set the size of the screen. So I'm going to set the size of the screen to be 800 times 600. Width 800, height 600. Set the background color. And we're going to use speed 3 to draw. That will allow us to have enough time to explain the code while the drawing is happening. So let's run the code. So first portion, we'll move to a new location and we use a for loop to draw. We're going to repeat something for 50 times. And what are we going to repeat? So every time we're going to draw a line of 60 pixels, then we'll turn left 67 degrees. So these 2 lines, we're going to repeat 50 times. That's what we learned in part 4 of the video, how to draw a pattern using for loop. Once we finish that, we will move to the bottom left corner of the screen, use a red color, do another for loop. Repeat another 50 times, but this time, we're going to draw a line of 80 pixels and we turn left 143 degrees. So that's the red pattern. After the red pattern, we're going to move to 270 to 220. That is the top right corner. And we're going to repeat something for 20 times. Every time we draw a circle of radius 30 pixels and we turn left 35 degrees. That will give us this blue pattern. And after that, we move to a different location. We use white color. We do another for loop. You can see all these patterns are using for loop, and which we have covered in part 4 of the video. After the white pattern, we move to a different location and we use yellow color to draw another pattern. And this time, instead of forward, we use backward. That means I'll go backward for 100 pixels. That also to draw a line. Right? After the yellow pattern, we are going to draw a regular polygon which has 6 sides. And that means it's going to be a hexagon. After that, we have something new. This time, we want to draw a pattern using different colors, and every time we want to draw the line of different length. So if you look at the pattern here, you can already see there are multiple colors. Now let's look at the code. We have 4 different colors here, and we put the colors in a square bracket separated by comma. We give a name called a color list. So this is actually a list, which is something we will cover in other videos. We put all the colors we want to use in a list, then we have a for loop. For I in range 100, this actually means we're going to repeat the next 4 lines 100 times. When we put for I in range 100, the first time we do this, I equal to 0. Second time we do this, I equal to 1. The next time we do this, I equal to 2. Then I will equal to 3, 4, until I reach 99. So from 0 to 99, that's 100 times, right? And what do we do each time? Each time we will choose a color from the color list. And which color we're going to choose? I mod 4. So this percentage sign is mod operation in mathematics. Mod meaning I'll do a division, but I'll take the remainder as the result. So I mod 4 meaning I divided by 4 and I want to take the remainder. That's the result of mod. So first time we do this, I equal to 0. 0 mod 4, 0 divided by 4 is 0, and remainder is still 0. So we're going to do color list 0, which means the first color, which is red. And we set this turtle to be red color. We go forward I. Remember I is 0. Go forward I meaning I draw a line of 0 pixels, which means I don't draw anything, right? But I'll turn left 110 degrees. Second time we do these 4 lines, I equal to 1. 1 mod 4, we get 0, remainder is 1, meaning we'll choose yellow color. We set turtle to be yellow color, and we go forward I, meaning go forward 1. We will draw a line. The length of the line is 1 pixel, which is very short. After that, we will turn left 100 degrees. Now the next time we do this, I equal to 2. 2 mod 4, remainder is 2. We will get blue color. And we will go forward 2 pixels. Turn left 110. Then I equal to 3. 3 mod 4, we get 3. We will take green color. We draw a line of 3 pixels. We turn left 110 degrees. So the next time, I equal to 4. 4 mod 4, we get 1, remainder is 0. So we come back to choose red color. And we draw a line of 4 pixels. We turn left 110 degrees. So the next round, I equal to 5, we will use yellow color. We draw a line of length 5 pixels. We turn left 110 degrees. The next time we choose the next color, the line is 6 pixels. Then we choose a different color, the line is a little bit longer. Choose another color, line is a little bit longer. That's why when you look at the pattern here, you can see the line is getting longer and longer, and every time we use a different color to draw. After this, we will draw another pattern, which is something like this. We cover in our part 5 of the videos. After that, we draw a star of purple color, which is here. After that, we draw using light green color, and we draw a regular polygon of 5 sides. Then we draw a regular polygon of 7 sides. After that, we're going to write the name of our channel, and we write our slogan. And the last step is to hide turtle and T.dot. That's how the whole pattern is drawn. So we learn how to draw this within 1 hour. We learn to draw different patterns, use different colors. We learn how to write text on the screen. So, how do you think? Is coding fun?